What if I told you that the big data and analytics company Palantir might just be the next Tesla or Oracle in terms of growth, relevance, and impact on the world? A company that's been quietly revolutionizing the way governments and businesses process data. In today's video, we'll dive into why I truly believe that Palantir is one of the most exciting investment opportunities of the decade, and of course, all the important risks that you need to know before jumping into it. So let's get started. Palantir isn't your average tech company. They're not trying to build the next social media platform or shiny new consumer gadget. Instead, they're tracking one of the hardest but most widespread problems in the modern world, making sense of massive complex data sets. In fact, even governments use Palantir's Gotham software for defense and intelligence. Think counterterrorism, border security, and military operations. On the commercial side though, Foundry Platform enables companies to optimize supply chains, manage risks, and even accelerate drug discovery. In short, Palantir is where big data meets real-world impact. So why do I think Palantir could be the next Oracle or Tesla? Let's break it down. Like Oracle in the 1980s, Palantir is building the backbone for a data-driven future. It's establishing itself as a core infrastructure provider for organizations needing to harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And similar to Tesla, Palantir is a disruptor, taking industries that have been operating in the same way for decades and completely flipping the script. The numbers back this up as well. Palantir's government contracts are rock solid, and their commercial revenue has been growing by roughly 30% annually. They've even snagged deals with giants like Airbus, BP, and even Ferrari. And get this, just like Tesla was underestimated for years, many analysts don't understand Palantir's potential right now, as this isn't just some regular old software company. This is one of the most sophisticated software companies in the world, in my opinion. And let's not forget about the leadership. Palantir was co-founded by Peter Thiel, the PayPal legend and early Facebook investor, and the company's CEO, Alex Karp, has a long-term vision that could go head-to-head with the ambition of Elon Musk. He's not trying to make a quick buck here. He's building a company designed to dominate for decades. He's said time and time again, Palantir's share price doesn't matter. What truly matters is building the absolute best product on the market to crush the competition. And then the high stock price will inevitably follow. If we zoom out though, the total addressable market for Palantir is huge. Data analytics and AI solutions are projected to be a $500 billion industry by 2030. But it could very well be even higher if Palantir continues to expand their software beyond government and commercial and into the hands of everyday people. And because this potential is so huge, Palantir is perfectly positioned to grab a slice of the pie. And like Tesla in the early days, Palantir is still in its growing phase, even if the stock has run up quite a bit, as they still have some pretty significant opportunities to expand internationally and deepen their penetration in the private sector. But let's take a step back and think about this realistically as well. Early investments come with a lot of risks, and Palantir here is no exception. First off, while Palantir is a profitable company, one major criticism that they get is that they're too heavily reliant on government contracts. Meaning, if governments cut spending, Palantir could take a big hit. And lastly, the stock itself is extremely volatile, and the broader market tech sell-offs could really drag it down. However, like I mentioned, Palantir is continuing to expand their commercial sector to counteract their government-heavy contracts. And like virtually every single tech stock that was first introduced to the market, they all started out as volatile. So, is Palantir the next Tesla or Oracle? Well, it's hard to say, but all the pieces are here. An ambitious vision, growing revenues, and a massive market opportunity. If you believe in the power of data and AI, Palantir might just be the stock of the decade. Just remember, high rewards often come with extremely high risks. So do your research and make sure it fits your own personal investment strategy before buying any shares. But what do you think though? Is Palantir a stock that you'd bet on for the future? Let me know in the comments below. And to see Palantir's $620 million deal that they just closed, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.